Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Pinterest, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by setting up a Pinterest business account if you haven't done so already. Visit the Pinterest for Business website and click on the Sign Up button. Fill out the necessary information to create your business account. Once your account is set up, navigate to the Pinterest Developer Portal. Here, you'll need to create a new app to use Pinterest's API. Click on the Create App button and fill in the required details for your application. After your app is created, note your app ID and app secret for API access. Next, go to the API documentation to understand the data endpoints available. Focus on the specific AI tools you want to integrate with Pinterest. Determine how these tools can enhance user interaction or content generation. Set up your development environment with the necessary programming languages and tools. Use the app ID and app secret to authenticate your API requests. Access the Pinterest API to retrieve data, such as user boards or pins. Utilize this data to feed your AI algorithms or models. For example, use image recognition to analyze popular trending pins. You can also integrate a recommendation system to suggest relevant pins based on user behavior. Develop your AI tool by writing the code necessary to process Pinterest data. Test your integration thoroughly to ensure everything works as intended. Utilize error handling to manage potential issues during API calls. Once testing is complete, deploy your AI tool into a production environment. Monitor its performance and make adjustments as necessary based on user feedback. Regularly update your application to align with changes in Pinterest's API policies. Keep an eye on emerging AI trends to continuously improve your tools. Finally, gather insights from your AI tool's performance data for future enhancements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.